Hey bestie, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tay, your licensed wax specialist, the face behind Wax by Tay and Velour Body Cares. Go shop. Today we are breaking down the 4 mistakes that you're making at home waxing yourself. I am all for the DIYers who want to try to do it themselves, but I want to make sure as your bestie that even if you aren't coming to me, I want to make sure that you're doing it right at home. First things first, you want to make sure that you have the right equipment. You can get a pot off of Amazon. Typically they'll have like a little starter kit where it comes with everything you need to start off with. Totally up to you whether you want to do hard wax or soft wax. I always like to use hard wax. I know a lot of people are switching over to soft wax because it's cheaper and for other reasons. Me personally, I had a bad experience with soft wax. Yeah, granted it was in the beginning of my waxing career, but I'm still a little scared and I like hard wax, so that's that. But we're gonna make your at-home waxing experience smoother than ever, literally and figuratively. So the first mistake that you're making is not prepping your skin properly. You want to make sure that for one, you're exfoliating 24 hours before, and right before your wax you want to make sure that skin is cleansed. You know, I would recommend taking a shower, but don't put any lotions or anything on. Just hop right out the shower, dry off, cleanse that specific area that you're about to wax, like with a pre-cleanser. And then I would recommend using cornstarch powder if you tend to sweat a lot. That just helps to get rid of the moisture. When you don't exfoliate or cleanse your skin beforehand, you're just setting yourself up to get ingrowns, and that is what we want to prevent. That's why we're stopping shaving, because we do not want ingrowns. We don't want razor bumps. We don't want none of that. Mistake number 2 is using the wrong temperature when you are waxing. Your wax should not look like soup coming off the stick. You want to make sure that you can wrap the wax around your stick, and it should look like a honeycomb, and it should stay on your stick for 3 seconds. No less, no longer. If it's on there less, it's too hot. If it's on there longer, it's not hot enough, and you're not going to be able to catch any hairs. Yeah, if it's too hot, you're going to burn yourself. You're going to lift your skin, and that's going to just cause way more problems. And if it's too cold, then it's not going to spread how you want it. You want to make sure that the tip of your stick looks like a honeycomb, and that's how you know that your wax is the right temperature. You also want to make sure that you're looking at the reviews of the specific wax that you're buying. I always recommend hard wax, but I don't know, at home, depending on what you're waxing, if you're waxing anything besides your Brazilian, I would say go with soft wax. It's easier. You don't have to necessarily worry about laying the wax properly, because as long as it's on there on the hairs, you should be able to get it up with soft wax. But I am not your person to be educating on soft wax, because that is just not what I use personally. I use hard wax. I love hard wax, especially for bikinis. If you would like any recommendations from me, comment down below and I'll give you some. Mistake number 3 is not holding your skin taut. Whatever body part you are waxing, you need to make sure you are stretching the skin when you go to pull it, because if you don't, you are going to lift your skin, and that is going to burn. I'm not gonna lie, it burns. You know that you lifted skin if your skin looks shiny afterwards. That means that you have lifted your skin. So like if you're doing I'm gonna be posting a video of me waxing my own underarms, but like if you're doing your underarms, the best way is to like keep it like this. Like put your hand behind your back, so that you're making sure that all of this skin is stretched out as good as it can, so that while you're using your other hand to rip the wax, you're good. It's very important to hold your skin taut, and that goes for if you're getting wax from someone else too. If they're not holding your skin taut, if you don't feel like they are like stretching your skin, ask them to hold your skin. And don't be scared too, because it's your skin, and you don't want to get your skin lifted because they're making a mistake. Always make sure to speak up when you get waxed. Side note. Mistake number 4, the last one, is pulling the wax the wrong way. When you are applying wax, you want to make sure you're applying it the same way your hair grows and you're pulling it the opposite way. That way you're making sure that you are getting those hairs straight from the root and you're not breaking off any hairs. That's what happens when you shave the hair. Well, for one, you can't get it from the root from shaving, but making sure that you're applying it in the same direction and then pulling it the opposite is going to make sure that you're getting all of those hairs all at the same time, so that's how you make sure that all of your hairs are on the same growth cycle, because they're all getting pulled out at the same time. No hair left behind, okay? I'll try to, if hopefully I can remember, I'll try to put a clip here showing how to apply the wax and how to rip it off. If it helps, you can get like a little disposable mascara wand and kind of like brush through the hairs just to see like which way your hair grows. Everyone's hair grows differently. If you're doing like with underarms, a lot of people underarms are like split into two, so like the top half will grow up and the bottom half will grow down. So that's a good time to use that mascara wand and just comb through it and just kind of see which way your hair is growing. Same thing for legs. I've seen people's legs that have one patch that go this way and another patch to go that way, and that's why I don't do legs anymore. Oh, also when you're pulling the strip up, you want to pull it parallel, not straight up. That's going to cause trauma to your skin. You want to pull it like this, not this. I hope that's enough visual, because I don't know how else to say it. So yes, those are 4 common mistakes to avoid when waxing at home. To recap, you want to make sure that you are prepping your skin properly the day before and immediately before your wax. You want to make sure you're using the right wax and at the right temperature. We're on 2, sorry. The right wax and the right temperature. You want to make sure that you are stretching your skin out, and you want to make sure that you are pulling the wax correctly, parallel, not up. Follow these 4 tips and you'll be waxing like a pro in no time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more, because we on the road, okay, bestie? Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next time I post. You know I post once a week. And if you are looking for premium, affordable aftercare products, hit the link in my description and be sure to shop with a Black-owned business. And don't forget, besties, that smooth skin is happy skin. Bye, bestie.